When you call into tech service, sometimes what we'll ask for is what's called a wiring diagram number. This number is the document number of the wiring diagram that's on your unit. What I have in my hand here is just a furnace panel door. So you'll have it in the bottom right corner here as far as your wiring diagram number. And if you're working on a condensing unit, this is just your control panel. It's going to be right here in the bottom right hand corner. Usually the number is going to start with a 7. All you have to do is give us that number and we'll be able to pull up the wiring diagram that you're looking at. This just ensures that both of us, you in the field and we in tech service, are looking at the same wiring diagram when it comes to troubleshooting. This will help speed up the troubleshooting process. Thanks for watching. You can find more tips on edgetechhvac.com.